Welcome guys, today we're going to talk about photo and how the most regular use cases are and how you get started quickly. By my side we have Liselott. She's one of the people that are working with photo daily, so she's going to come with great advice how we can use it, and I will show you hands-on inside the app how to use it. So let's go, let's start right now. Now we're logged into photo, and in photo you basically have two different things you can start doing. You can either analyze a photography or you can describe what type of photography you want to generate. So let's start with analyzing a photo. Then you just start a new conversation. Here at the bottom of the screen you click on the plus sign, and then you go in and you use one of your photos in your library. We can have this one in the studio. It's a very clean shot, and I write analyze this photo deeply and give me the Genesis prompt for Nano Banana 2. Now I said that in Swedish. Professional English speaker.
You learned Swedish.
Yeah, and now it's analyzing the photo. It's looking at the colors, it's looking at the model and the subject, it's looking at the pose, the different lighting in the picture, and it basically gives you a full prompt for this. So your output here is basically describing exactly what Nano Banana wants to see when you generate a photo. Then you copy this prompt. You can either click it at the bottom right corner, or you can do Command-C on a Mac and Control-C on Windows. Then you go into Magnific, and in Magnific you can start generating photos. So you can run this prompt right away, and you just choose Nano Banana 2, click here to place the prompt inside the prompt box in Magnific. And Magnific is formerly known as FreePic, for you guys who haven't known that they have changed the name. Now the aspect ratio should be 4:5, and when it's 4:5, it's perfect for Instagram. It's perfect for a lot of different like standing screen devices. So, and then I click on 2K for the first render, and I just render one just to see the output, what it looks like. And the only thing you won't get right here is basically the characteristics, because it's not going to describe the character in that much detail to get the perfect face, but it will get a female model. It will get like the same type of environment. So in this case, it will be like a white studio with soft lighting, and the characteristics of the model should look as alike the model as possible. And now you can see here, it looks very much alike, I must say.
Yeah,
you see?
It's really good.
Yeah, and this one here is basically the input image. So I think they look a lot alike. So when I download this now, I have this image as text. So if I want her to be in another pose, I can just write into photo, please change her pose to a ballerina stand and zoom out to show a full body shot from head to toe. Toe, how do you toe, like that. And then this is basically the next thing. So the first time you get the analyzation of the image, the next prompt is to change that prompt into the type of prompt you want. So you describe what you want to have for what you want your photo to change, and then you get a new prompt. And when you get this new prompt, you just take this, copy it, go to Magnific, and just post it, and then just generate, because all the settings in Magnific, it's already set to the correct way you want to render it. And when I render right now, I usually render 4 pictures in a row, so I get all the different alternatives fast. But this way I'm rendering it right now is just to show you a preview, so I don't burn all my tokens in Magnific. And basically, render one photo takes about 30 seconds. Generating the prompt takes about 10 seconds. So you can go along and do a lot of different things. Here you see the output, standing in a ballerina pose in the same venue. And here, if you, I will give you an example. If we keep on generating new ones, you will see that it will be a completely clean background. Here you have a soft box and you see like the background in the studio, but that's just because that's one of 4 different examples. So it will basically understand what you're looking for and give you 4 alternative examples. And that's something Magnific is really good at. So sometimes you want some like BTS material and sometimes you don't. Here, on the second render, we get like the perfect image. And now you can just download this image and you can download this image. And when you want to have the same model, make an avatar of that image. And that's something we're going to show you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the YouTube channel. And if you haven't already, download Photo on fo2.ai and try for free right now for a limited time. Bye.
Bye.